This is a room tour of the Hotel Bosque del Mar in Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. There's a lot of space in this room. The bedroom had a lot of space. There was a separate living room. Bathroom was a nice size. Everything was clean and bright. The lighting was good. There's quite a bit of storage. We were there for 2 nights. Originally, we were going to be there for one, but we did extend it one night. Hanging space. The desk area, there was an outlet there. Nice living room area. They brought you bottled water every day, which was great. Coffee setup was nice. There's Wi-Fi throughout the room. This was the spa area. We did wind up getting a massage on the first day. We weren't quite ready to check in. The room wasn't ready, so they had a special. It was $79 for an hour, which was quite good. Everything is open air. A lot of the amenities are open air, not the spa, but a lot of the restaurants were open air. This was the spa area. We had a couples massage. This is the grounds. The grounds were beautiful. We're coming up in the lobby. The lobby was kind of open. Um, in a couple minutes, we'll see the restaurant. That was also open. This is the restaurant. Breakfast was at the restaurant. Breakfast was included. We also had dinner a couple of times. As you can see, it is right on the beach. You can see the beach right from the restaurant. Grounds were very green. A lot of animals, which we'll see a little later. We caught sight of a couple of animals. Coming up on the pool area. A lot of wildlife. Here's the path to the beach. The beaches are public beaches. We were at a time where it wasn't busy, so it wasn't an issue. But they are public beaches.
Yeah, and the sun is really strong.
It was hot. This is where they had happy hour. They had some drink specials. They also had a lower level menu, like a snack menu. We did eat dinner up there and had happy hour a couple times. Overlooks the beach. This is one of the iguana friends that we met in the parking lot. We saw two in the parking lot. There are also howler monkeys in the trees. We didn't realize they were there until a staff member pointed them out. We heard them, but we didn't see them. It's a white-winged dove, which is very much like our dove, our mourning dove. Chicken was on the beach. A bunch of holes in the beach. We couldn't figure out what they were, and then we saw somebody come out of one of the holes. There are a lot of boats anchored at the beach.